I know that'll do ya, I don't grip no weapons. I got 7 whole figures that is in my checking. DDG got all the answers, I don't do no.
Hello everyone, myself Somya Jain, a recent graduate student from Illinois Institute of Technology as a Master's in Computer Science, currently representing ChiEAC as a data science volunteer. I have around 3 plus years of working experience as a data analyst or data scientist across the different domains like marketing, finance, education. Over the year, I had built my technical expertise in Python, AWS, SQL, visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau, with a strong foundation in machine learning and AI algorithm. Today, I want to discuss about one of the major problems which currently government is facing. So, I'm gonna discuss the Procurement Intelligence System. This is one of my favorite and the most recognized project. So the problem statement is every year the US government procurement market is worth around $500 billion annually. But the small scale and the medium sized businesses are largely excluded because the procurement documents are scattered thousand around thousands of poorly scanned PDF with no searchability, no structure. Due to this, always the large scale industry wins the bid. As per the market reality, the large scale industry dominate the small scale businesses because of the poorly scanned PDF, no searchability, the manual the manual efforts or the time it needs to read the document and the large corp so here the result is the large corporation wins the race with the more res- more resources. So the solution which I came across is I built an AI powered multi agent procurement system. It's like a multi agent system designed to transform procurement record, automating document analysis in the structured format and gives the conversational insight. Here I have built a rack enabled intelligence system, a structured knowledge base, a OCR system, and the automated processing using AWS, Python, and Fast API. So the technique, if I talk about the technical architecture, is the the first step is I'm gonna extract the PDF using the Amazon OCR and converted the image into the structured text, then train a knowledge base using the RAG vector embedding. There I used AWS Titan embedding to to convert the text into the vector embedding so that the RAG powered intelligent system will easily understand the natural languages queries and the question which user will ask. So this, if I talk about the system architecture, uh, the user will upload the PDF into my system using the Amazon text track or the OCR system. The PDF, the image will convert it into the text format and then convert it into the JSON format. Then we're gonna upload the JSON format into the Amazon AWS S3 bucket. Using the Bedrock, I'll convert the JSON format into the vector embedding using the OpenSearch. Here I use the cloud-based system for the training our knowledge base and then building a after the knowledge base will get trained, we'll build a chatbot system for the user for the conversational help for the user. Okay. So here the technical expertise which I use is the Bedrock with the Claude S3, OpenSearch vector embedding, Titan text embedding, and the Bedrock knowledge, Python, and the HTML chatbot UI with the Fast API. It will create the UI, so the user UI with the chatbot. So the user can upload the procurement document and then chat with the system to get the AI based solution. Here the problem which I came across is the small scale industry don't have the number of resources or the team to go through the all the procurement document, which resulted many of the document get ignored and the small scale industry won't get a chance to participate in the win. And always the large scale industry uh, get wins the race and get the procurement contracts. And if I talk about the government, they don't have a time to invest manual efforts to read those thousands of thousand pages of the PDF to just start with the contract. So they'll give the contract blindly to the recognized or the old vendors which are already in the market. So this procurement intelligence system will help the government to sh- uh, like to explore the diverse vendor pool. This will help them for analyze the more procurement document, get the more options, and the it will help them to also help them in the better cost using. The system which I made is still on the testing basis. For now, it will give a 95% of text extraction accuracy. I have I tested around 34 PDF. It processed successfully. Each PDF time, each PDF is taking 2 to 3 minutes of document from uploading the PDF to converting that into the proper AI knowledge base. This is the demo which I did. If a user wanna uploaded any PDF and converted that, so the first step is the OCR conversion. The PDF will convert it into the JSON format and will uploaded that JSON file into the Amazon S3 bucket. And after that, we'll use the AWS Bedrock agent and the Cloud AI system to train our knowledge base. Once the knowledge base will get trained, it will give the answers, AI based answer which user is asking. So we had created a like UI to interact that knowledge base into the main system. So this OCR system will really helpful for the small scale businesses, because they can't afford like a dedicated team to analyze the document. So our system will remove the barrier by providing the automated document analysis system, so the scale industry have the proper insight without needing the large team. Also, it will reduce the manual effort. It will reduce, like, if any documents is been on pending for a weeks or a month, it will reduce the time to a day, because the user just need to upload the document and our AI model will understand the whole document, compare the different contract, and the uh, gives the better decision. For now, this is what I am working on the future scope. I am trying to segregate this model for the different industry, like a different model for the supply chain, different model for the healthcare system. So this is the future scope. For now, I had just made a demo thing, so that it will do the from scratch. It will convert like a OCR to the final PDF, so that at least the government agencies can have a chance to bring more vendors, speed up their contract cycle, and ensure that they'll take the cost efficient and the transparent decision. This is a solution which I came across using the AWS Python, HTML, and agentic AI model. Thank you.
Bust down AP, VVS, my settings. Bust down DDG, got my name on a pendant.